Hey guys, this is day 4 of unboxing the beer advent calendar. Now I'm going to pause for a second because a couple of you have asked where did I get this beer advent calendar. The truth of the matter is I actually got it for my wife as a present, but if you just take a peek at the screen for a second, it kind of tells you where I got it. But anyways, this is day 4 of unboxing the beer advent calendar. So here we go. Boom! Get that out of the way. And here we have a Bocker German lager, or a Bock. A Bocker. It's spelled like Bock, and then it's got a at the end. So a Bocker. A botcher. It's a botcher of a Bocker. This is a German beer. Getting in the sense that all these beers are German, but hey, Aldi is a German company. And there you go. Anyways, that is day 4 of unboxing the beer calendar, and I'm going to sit this in the refrigerator, let it cool down, and enjoy it. Tasting videos later.